Education, Victim Impact Panel. I'm going to want 90 sober meetings in 90 days. A TAP evaluation. 2023 CR 0058, State of Texas versus Jose De Jesus Gyos. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Gear, Your Honor.
Defense.
But what on behalf of Mr. Gallegos, present, we're ready, Judge.
Are you Mr. Gallegos?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you entered a plea of no contest on May 1st, and we're set today for sentencing. According to the plea bargain agreement, the state is recommending deferred adjudication. All right. Counsel, are you ready to proceed?
Yes, Judge.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, just the reason we didn't go into the plea or the sentencing when we were in here earlier is he is not a U.S. citizen.
Yes.
So we had MAC involved. They prepared me about a 6-page memorandum on his immigration consequences. And he has received a copy of it. We've gone over it. We're in agreement to proceed today.
All right, Mr. Gallegos, are you asking to proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And I see that we don't have an interpreter here, and I know I always ask if someone needs an interpreter. But just so this record is clear, are you able to understand the English language?
Yes, ma'am.
And were you able to review all these documents in English?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
The only other thing, Judge, 29 years of age, married, 2 small children, went to the 11th grade. He owns his own. He's the owner operator of a paint and body works here in town.
All right. And is CPS involved or no?
No,
How many children do you have, Mr. Gallegos?
2, ma'am.
What are their ages?
7 and 2.
And if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
They'll probably be positive for marijuana.
And what else?
Marijuana.
That's all.
Yes.
Okay. So 3 years deferred adjudication, $1,500 fine, probated, taking consideration 2023 CR 3054. 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to ask for parenting classes. And that will, once he completes parenting classes, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. Probation, I'm sorry, state, you're asking for DWI conditions?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so you want DWI education,
Yes, Your Honor.
victim impact or no?
Yes, I mean, all the conditions that would apply to the record.
A license suspension or no?
No.
Okay,
Sorry.
yeah.
so there's a DWI education, victim impact panel. I'm going to want 90 sober meetings in 90 days, a TAP evaluation. Follow the recommendations of TAP, but if it says inpatient treatment, we'll start with supportive outpatient treatment. There's to be regular UAs, tests for levels, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, field visits, 1 time per month until further notice. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No.
Anything you want to say about the drug test before we do a drug test?
That I'm gonna come out positive for marijuana.
And that's it.
Yes, ma'am. I hope.
What do you mean you hope?
Well, I mean, I'm not sure how long does it take for cocaine to get out of your system, because I was charged with that.
Okay. All right, we're going to see what it is. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing, you have children at your house. You can't be smoking marijuana, because guess what? Even if you smoke marijuana and it's in your backyard or not at your house, the children are going to smell it and their little brains are developing. And you don't want their brains to be smoking marijuana. Would you give your children marijuana to smoke?
No, ma'am.
When you come in from outside smoking marijuana, that's what you're doing. You might as well pass them a blunt.
I understand.
So you need to stop.
Yes, ma'am.
They don't need to be around that, and they need you to be 100% focused on them, because everything that you do, children imitate. That's how they learn to speak. When you see a little child who's using profanity, you know where they learn that from? People that they're around. So you're gonna have to be a better parent, a parent that they can be proud to say, that's my dad. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck.